Okay, so good morning, class. So today we'll talk about Vision 2040 of the Philippines, charting our future for our community development and planning subject. So good morning again, everyone. So today we're going to embark on a journey to explore something incredibly important, the future of our country. Imagine a dream for the Philippines, a picture of what we want our nation to be like in 20 years. That's essentially what Vision 2040 is. It's a national blueprint, a guide that helps us understand where we are headed and what we need to do to get there. Think of it like a treasure map, but instead of gold, the treasure is a prosperous and fulfilling life for every Filipino. Vision 2040 isn't just a new plan, it's built on three powerful pillars. First, it's ambitious. We're not talking about small steps, we're talking about giant leaps forward. Second, it's inclusive. This means no one gets left behind. Everyone from every corner of our archipelago should feel the positive impact of our progress. And third, it's sustainable. This is crucial. We need to grow our economy and improve lives without damaging the beautiful planet we call home, so our children and grandchildren can also enjoy it. The foundation of Vision 2040 is articulated in something called the Ambisyon Natin 2040 or our Ambition 2040. This plan clearly defines three overarching goals that are deeply intertwined. They all contribute to achieving a life that is not just good but truly excellent. We'll explore each of these goals in detail as they form the very heart of what we hope to achieve by 2040. Think of these as the ultimate destinations on our development journey. The first pillar is about building a matatag or stable society. What does that mean for us? It means an economy that's strong and resilient, one that can weather challenges and continue to provide opportunities for everyone. It's about ensuring that hard work leads to a better life and that fewer people live in poverty. We want a society where financial security is within reach for all. Next, we have the goal of a maginhawa or comfortable society. This is where we talk about what makes life truly enjoyable and fulfilling. It's about having access to excellent schools that helps us reach our full potential and healthcare services that keep us healthy. It also involves having good roads and reliable public transportation and pleasant places to live. Imagine a Philippines where everyday life is easier and more pleasant for everyone. That's right. The third pillar is about a panatag or secure society. This is about feeling safe and protected. It means living in a country where crime is low, where we are shielded from natural calamities, and where justice is served fairly. A secure society also means a sense of belonging and respect for everyone, ensuring that our rights are upheld. To achieve this stable economy, Vision 2040 proposes several key strategies. First, we must invest heavily in our people. That means better education, vocational training, and lifelong learning opportunities. We also need to make our farms and factories more efficient, making it easier to start and run businesses, and welcoming foreign investment are also vital. Finally, embracing new ideas and technologies will be a game changer for economic progress. For a comfortable life, education and healthcare, these are quite paramount. Vision 2040 aims to make sure that every Filipino, no matter their location or background, has access to excellent education. From kindergarten all the way to university, we also want to ensure that healthcare is affordable and of the highest quality. And importantly, Our education system should equip you with the skills that are in demand for the jobs of tomorrow. Think about how much easier life would be with better roads, faster trains, and more efficient airports. Vision 2040 plans to upgrade our infrastructure significantly. This includes ensuring everyone has reliable access to essential services like clean water and electricity. We also want to build communities that are not only functional but also environmentally friendly and pleasant to live in, both in our cities and our rural areas. To feel secure, we need a strong system of peace and order. This involves improving our police and military forces to better protect us. It also means promoting transparent and ethical governance, fighting corruption, and ensuring that our leaders are accountable. Furthermore, addressing the underlying issues that lead to crime and conflict is essential for long-term security. The Philippines is prone to natural disasters. Vision 2040 emphasizes building communities that can withstand these events. This includes having robust plans for responding to emergencies and recovering quickly afterwards. Crucially, we must also embrace practices that help us adapt to climate change and minimize its effects, protecting our environment and our people. A truly secure society is one where justice and fairness prevail. Vision 2040 aims to uphold everyone's human rights and ensure that the rule of law is respected. It's about creating a level playing field where everyone has the chance to succeed, regardless of their gender, ethnicity, or social standing, fostering a culture of empathy, respect, and understanding among all Filipinos is key to this pillar. Let's paint a clearer picture. What does this matatag, maginhawa, panatag life actually look like for you, for your families, and for your communities? For individuals, it means having a stable job that pays well and offers a chance to grow. For families, it's about having a safe and comfortable home, knowing your children are getting a great education, and having access to doctors when you need them. For our communities, it means safe streets, essential services that work, and a healthy environment for everyone to enjoy. Now you may be thinking, what does this have to do with me? Well, you are the future. Your role is achieving Vision 2040 is absolutely critical. Your education is your most powerful tool. Focus on learning, develop your skills, and pursue knowledge relentlessly. Get involved in your communities, lend your voice, and become an informed and responsible citizen. Your actions today will shape the Philippines of tomorrow. Vision 2040 isn't a plan made by a few people in an office. It's a vision for all of us, and it requires all of us to work together. The government, businesses, and every single citizen, including you, have a part to play. Your dreams, your hard work, and your commitment are what will make this vision a reality. Let's build a better Philippines together. Now it's your turn to share. What aspect of Vision 2040 sparks your excitement the most? What are you looking forward to do for the Philippines by 2040? Think about how these national goals connect with your own dreams and aspirations. So we will have a lively discussion class when we will meet face to face in our physical classrooms next week. To make this even more engaging, okay, we'll do an activity. I want you to create a Dream Philippines collage using magazines, drawings, or even digital tools. visually represent what the Philippines looks like to you in 2040, embodying those three pillars: stable, comfortable, and secure. So this is your chance to visually express the future you want to live in. So I'll be posting that in our Padlet link class. So you can upload your works there. The deadline is next week or next meeting. After our activity, I want you to take a moment to reflect. Think about what you've learned today. What is one specific actionable step you can take starting now to contribute to making Vision 2040 a reality? Write this down in your notebooks. It could be as simple as studying harder, being kinder to others, or helping keep your surroundings clean. So I'll be updating also class our Padlet page so that you could upload these reflections too. So let's quickly recap the main points we've covered. Vision 2040 is our country's long-term plan designed to guide us towards a brighter future. Its core is the aspiration for a society that is stable, comfortable, and secure for every Filipino. And remember, the most important takeaway is that your education, your skills, and your active participation are the building blocks of this future. You are the architects of tomorrow's Philippines.